1, 2, 3.
Wild by nature, born of stone and stream, these hills ain't just a postcard dream. From the cliffs to the creeks, from the gorge to the pine, West Virginia's wild and always mine. New river runs like a line through time. That steel-arch bridge is a mountain sign. Climbers rise and rafters shout where the mist rolls in and the light breaks out. We are wild by nature, mountain born, where the ridges echo every storm. From Harpers Ferry to Bluestone Peace to Gauley thunder and summer release. Let the trails run long, let the rivers be wide. West Virginia, the wild won't hide. Through smoke hole or Seneca view, Lost River sings in the morning dew. Canaan Valley skies turn silver and blue. You'll find your soul still lingers too. Blackwater, Coopers, Capon shade. These parks were built for more than a day. Bring your boots and leave your screen. This is where the heart runs clean. We are wild by nature, deep and free, in the heart of the mountain canopy. From snowy peaks to a rhododendron trail, to the roaring Gauley and the greenbrier vale. Let the seasons speak, let the silence guide. West Virginia, the wild won't hide. Wild by nature, wild and true. West Virginia, it's calling